In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assemblies on this BMW X5. It's going to be located at the back of the vehicle. Let's get into it. Remove this cover. Pull that out of the way. Now disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver underneath. Just push on the tab. Disconnect that. You can see there's 3 nuts. We're going to take those nuts off. Use a 8mm socket. Those off. You just grab the light assembly and you just want to pull it straight back. Take the new tail light. Just get this lined up. Just get it slide in place. Now we're going to put the nuts on. Get the nuts started. I'll snug these down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Take the panel, line that up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.